Alto TS18S review. Is it worth buying? Need powerful bass for a DJ setup, live performance, or professional PA system? The Alto TS18S is a large 18-inch powered subwoofer built for serious low end. But is it worth adding to your setup? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The TS18S features an 18-inch woofer with a 3-inch high temperature voice coil and a Class D amplifier rated at 2,500 watts peak. Alto lists a frequency response of 29 to 100 Hz at -3 decibels with a maximum SPL of 137 decibels. In real-world use, its biggest strength is delivering strong, punchy bass for live sound and DJ applications. Independent testing found the TS18S produces a full, powerful low end with plenty of output, although it isn't designed to deliver extremely deep sub-bass. Connectivity is straightforward, with 2 XLR and 1/4-inch combo inputs and 2 XLR outputs for connecting your main speakers or linking another part of your PA system. You also get 3 EQ options: off, live, and DJ, along with phase alignment at 0, 90, 180, or 270 degrees. Built-in protection helps guard against clipping, overheating, and driver overdrive. The main drawback is size and weight. The TS18S weighs about 93 pounds or 42.2 kilograms, so moving it regularly can be a challenge. Its MDF cabinet is sturdy, but it adds to the overall weight. Optional caster wheels can make transportation easier. Overall, the TS18S makes the most sense for DJs, bands, venues, churches, and other users who need substantial low-frequency reinforcement. If portability is your priority, a smaller subwoofer may be a better choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your next product suggestion.